showing Posy, nigga. Yo! Yo! Oh, shit. Who's spinning? Yeah. They spinning them bitches. Hey, that nigga showing Posy like a hoe. Hey. Twerking that bitch on my mama. Facts. That hoe shit new. This hoe right here. Ooh. That hoe. I'm telling you. Ooh. Hold on. Them niggas showing Posy. Oh yeah, hold on. Yeah. I know this nigga finna show Posy. Ooh, that nigga, ooh. Hold on. Ooh. Hey, that nigga, hey. Ooh, I'm telling you. Hey, boy, them niggas is showing Posy like a hoe. Hey, let's see what else. I know they finna turn up. It's wet. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. They spinning. That nigga bitch ain't showing that though. Hold on, bitch. Hold on. Yo. They got my nigga for showing Posy, bro. Damn, fool. I don't know what they finna do with that nigga. That nigga pulled me over last time. So he might go ahead and take that nigga. I don't know. But they got my nigga from I was showing Posy up there at the mall, fool. So I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. Hey, holding that bitch. When I tell you he was holding that, holding that bitch. I don't even know why I'm up here. I was spinning my shit at the mall too. I ain't get it on video, but I'm with 360. Facts. I donated that shit. Hopefully, I don't know. I can't say hopefully, but like, I don't know. I hope they let that nigga go though. I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy. Like they got that nigga like right now in that bitch. Like I don't know if they searching his shit right now, boy, but they that shit crazy. We gon' see in a little bit, bro. We gonna see in a little bit.